Good morning, TACmed EMT fans. Welcome back to the channel. This is Scott. I'm the TACmed EMT. Today we're talking about the active shooter response kit. So this is a little kit that I put together that I keep in my patrol vehicle. It's the quick, easy way for me to grab a med kit, some extra magazines if I need to deploy to a situation where I know I'm going to have some kind of an armed suspect or armed confrontation. It gives me extra tools that I need, right? You always have your own individual first aid kit on you, but if you're going into an active shooter situation, say a school shooting or a movie theater shooting, you're gonna need more resources. What you go through your Ifak for, this is for you, right? If everything's code 4, there's no further threat, you're sure there's no further threat, everybody's been searched and assessed, maybe I will go into my own individual first aid kit and use that to treat other people that may be injured. But initially, this is for me, maybe for someone else later, or my buddy, right? Going into a mass casualty incident, I'm gonna have additional equipment with me that's set up just to give out, to help deploy and treat casualties and triage things. As a part of that kit, going into that dangerous situation, I know there may be an armed confrontation, so I'm also going to have additional magazines besides what I already carry on my vest. I may wanna grab some extra AR mag or an extra pistol mag, so I have that ready to deploy. The way this is set up, this is just a Condor tearaway EMT pouch. I've talked a lot about this pouch in the past. You guys know how much I love this thing. They're really good piece of gear. This is mounted to just a Condor backer, and what I did is I put this on the ZAC tool. Okay, so what I'm talking about is this ZAC tool setup. I'm gonna get this closer to the camera for you so you can see this. It's just a heavy duty metal that slides through your belt, little spring steel strap that clips right onto this quick release. And this is what I'm going to hang my active shooter response kit from. ZAC tool is not very expensive. It fits right on this Condor backing mount carrier, and quick, easy to use. I'm going to throw this on my belt and we'll show you the setup for deploying this quickly. Just clips your belt clip here. So I'm just going to clip this right to my belt. As I jump out of my patrol car, this gets strapped down to my leg fairly quickly. To get these buckles in place, I know it's secure, set, and ready to go, right? I can run with this thing on if I need to. It's a little bit awkward, it's going to be flopping around a little bit, but it does give me some additional resources that I'm going to need when I get to that scene. I want to have this with me, but it's low-key, it's out of the way, it's securely stuck in place, hanging from that ZAC tool clip, and I might want to tighten up these leg straps a little bit. But overall, it's a quick, easy way to deploy. So let's get into the kit a little bit. All right, again, we've talked about these kits before. You've seen some of my other drop leg pouch setups. From active shooter one, it's the same kind of Condor style. I like this because I can tear this open. Everything folds out. It's nicely, securely held in place so things aren't flopping around. If I've got my patient right here in front of me, I can kneel down next to my patient. I've got all of my tools that I need to assess my patient, maybe treat my patient. Right? This has extra chest seals in it, extra tourniquets. I've got my needles, bandages, all kinds of additional resources that I may need to deploy. Additional gloves, SWAT tees, emergency blankets. So it's a good, solid kit. It's nice and easy. Everything's secure, easy to see, easy to treat your patient. Right, just like your Ifak in front, opens right in front of you, easy to see into. So positioning your equipment where you can access it, see it, and use it to treat is vital in being successful when you hit the field. So just a little setup video for you. I'm going to demonstrate that ZAC tool quick connect and talk about an active shooter response setup if you needed one with some additional arsenal on you. So again, just closing out the video with just a little quick demo on this kit here and an active shooter response setup that's fairly affordable, easy to put together, easy to deploy, easy to control and access. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.